Good evening, my name is Francis Gomez Pinallas. I am studying in the course Didactics for Social Science. This is a tax fight. It's about a video of lesson plan. The topic of the lesson plan is ocean and seas. Objectives: know the ocean and continents of the planet and the activities that take place in them. Learn the difference between seas and ocean and the importance. Introduction. The lesson plan for the social science class for third grade as at it then seas and oceans, which is structured with a warm-up activity, presentation of topic, practice, and evaluation of the past I've been learning. The class has a group of 20 students from 7 to 8 years of age, all in perfect learning conditions and without special conditions. The learning strategy is shown cards with images of seas and oceans with their respective names. The explanation of the subject will be a didactic way on the board, where students exchange cards and give practice with obvious where information about the subject is found and finally an evaluation is carried out where the learning obtained during class. Lesson description, presentation stage. To make the subject know, each student will be given two cards with images and names of seas and oceans. Then the cards are exchanged and then they come to the front and side, each name that corresponding to them. Practice stage. The student will practice didactic learning activities with presentation sheets, explanations on the blackboard, and guests that will be given to them with information about the subject, in which are the locations of the seas and oceans on the planet Earth, the names and the importance of know about them. Production stage. Students will be developing English language skills through teaching activities with the them of seas and oceans from the social studies course. Carry adequate technology and knowledge about the importance of knowing the location of the seas and oceans. Conclusion about this topic. They conclude the lesson plan is based on activities with appropriate learning strategies and the way to learn a subject where it is clearly guided and adapted to the needs of the students. The development of the class gives some fruitful results where it is reflected in the participation and adaptation of the student in the class. Closing. The social science in the language classroom, in the case English, is very good. Apart from giving a quality of the education at a higher level and by competence, it creates many beneficial opportunities for students and develop specific language skills through pedagogical resources. Facilitating the teaching of the two objectives, the social science and the English language. On the other hand, the topic of social science are fundamental to know the history of our world, culture, politics, etc. Thank you very much.